How to use ClickFunnels for affiliate marketing. Hey guys, this is Philip, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my top 3 ways that you can leverage the power of affiliate marketing and ClickFunnels to start your own online business. So the concept is very simple. So for those of you who don't know what ClickFunnels, it's a funnel software. There's other funnel softwares that you can do the same concept. It's very simple. So there's, for example, GroovePages, GroovePages, and you can try using Thrive Architect on WordPress, and which is very inexpensive. So it's a very simple concept, and I'm going to be showing you everything right now. So there's lots of types of funnels. For example, there's a webinar funnel, there's a sales funnel, there's a squeeze page. In this case, we're using something that is called a squeeze page. So a squeeze page is also known as an opt-in page. So this is how an opt-in page looks like. So opt-in page. So an opt-in page is where we gather people's emails and then we take them to the next page of the funnel. So this is where, over here, this is where we put a headline, and then we put a good headline that is congruent with our offer, and this is where we tell our customer or anyone to submit their email, and we can take them to the next page. So from the opt-in page, it takes us to something that is called a bridge page. So bridge page. So a bridge page is pretty simple. This is where you give value to the customer, you warm them up, and then you give them more information, and you give them a reason for buying. In the end of every single video, you should always have something that is called a call to action, and the call to action is very simple. You say, hey, if you want to learn where I learned all this, all you have to do is click on the link below and you can find out more. For example, this is where you're going to make a video. So you make a video over here, and then this is where you put your affiliate link, and then you tell them to click on their affiliate link so you can learn where you learned all these cool methods that you're going to be showing them. And then from the bridge page, it takes them to something that is called the sales page. So this is a pretty basic concept. There's an opt-in page, there's a bridge page, and this is where you get the sale. And usually on the bridge page is where you warm up the customer, and then you tell them, click here for more information, and then this is where you usually get the sale. However, this concept is concept number 1. There's another concept which is almost the same, which is concept number 2. And you do the same thing. You create an opt-in page. So you get people's emails, they submit their email, and then you take something that is a bridge page. I also like to call it the value ladder. So the value ladder is pretty simple. You're going to be making a 4-day video training on how to do something. For example, affiliate marketing. So first day, you're going to learn what affiliate marketing is. The second day, you're going to learn the tools that you're going to need for affiliate marketing. The third day is you can just find out what you want to do and then decide yourself. So you make a 4-day video training. So 4-day training. Okay. So you do the 4-day training, and then you create a bridge page, same concept as here, but you teach him how to do something. And then you create another 3 pages, and then you direct them to the sale, and this is where you put the affiliate offer. So pretty simple. Opt-in page, bridge page, you create another 3 pages, and then you make a 4-day video training, and then you target them every single day with an email marketing tool. There's a lot of email marketing tools, for example, Aweber, and there's another one called GetResponse. Very simple concept. So from once they submit their email, you send them an email, which is day 1, which is the video over here, and then you're going to be sending them another email every single day for like another 4 days. So very simple. You can do it for 10 days. This is up to you. This is just a basic concept which you can implement, and you can switch it around and try it yourself. So opt-in page, bridge page, you do a 4-day video training, and you send them an email 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can still do the same thing over here, but you can only send them to one warm-up page, where you can direct them for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, which can really benefit you. So this is concept 1, concept 2, and another concept which I'm going to be putting right over here. So it's pretty much for new people. It doesn't work perfectly. However, you can make some sales like this. So very simple. So you create an opt-in page over here. Opt-in. So you create an opt-in page, and then okay, title, then submit their email, and then you just directly it's called direct linking. All you do is just you take them directly to the sales page. It won't convert perfectly. However, if you don't want to talk on camera, you're very bored, you don't feel like doing anything, you can try this. And another concept, for those of you who don't want to talk on camera, you can just go to you can make an animation with Doodly. You can just maybe not show your face and just make a training video. This is up to you. So these are my 3 simple concepts. 1, 2, 3. These by far the best concepts, and I promise you nobody has ever shown you this before. Maybe some of you already know about this concept, but they're very powerful methods, and I promise you if you implement this, you can make some very good money. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, please message me below, and I'm more than happy to answer every single one of your questions. And yeah, so please subscribe. I'm going to be making some more videos like this on how to make money online, and I'm going to be showing you some very simple concepts. And if you want to learn more about traffic, once you implement this, you're obviously going to need some very good traffic sources. So there's somewhere around here, there's going to be a little link. You can just click on it, and I can show you how to use some very good traffic sources to implement this, and you can start making money today. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.